A new global war has begun, but this time it's digital.
The attacks are targeting critical infrastructure globally.
What did you say in this word in essay?
Artificial intelligence is reshaping the balance of global
The
power.
United States leads the AI revolution with advanced research.
Our data confirms this dominance, particularly in silicon development.
Brain fearless.
China is rapidly closing the gap, building the world's largest AI infrastructure.
India emerges as a rising AI superpower.
Our analysis shows this growth
Is the new oil, and nations are fighting to control it.
This global flow is redefining geopolitical power.
Modern warfare is no longer fought by soldiers, but algorithms.
These graphs illustrate the rapid extent of AI. Deepfake technology threatens global politics and security.
AI-powered misinformation can influence elections like never before.
Millions fear losing their jobs to automation.
Anti-ray trace.
But they aim to survive their rate.
But AI is also creating new industries and opportunities.
AI is saving lives faster than doctors ever could. Personalized AI teaching is transforming global education.
really take your points.
AI-driven economies are outperforming traditional systems. Tech giants dominate the AI battlefield.
But ethical questions rise about control
And responsibility. Countries rush to regulate AI before it becomes uncontrollable.
AI arms race threaten global stability.
As you can see, the data indicates a sharp increase in military AI spending across the board. Humanity stands at the edge of a technological transformation.
The AI war has already begun.
The question is, who will win?
Subscribe for more global documentaries.
Analyzing the data streams that shape our world.
And the projections show a clear shift in the demographic spread over the next decade.